Hello everyone. Today we will know about the types of graphic design. First one is image-based design. Designers develop images to represent the ideas their clients want to communicate. Images can be incredibly powerful and compelling tools of communication, conveying not only information but also moods and emotions. People respond to images instinctively based on their personalities, associations, and previous experience. For example, you know that chili pepper is hot, and this knowledge in combination with the image creates a visual pun. In the case of image-based design, the images must carry the entire message. There are few if any words to help. These images may be photographic, painted, drawn, or graphically rendered in many different ways. Image-based design is employed when the designer determines that, in a particular case, a picture is indeed worth 1,000 words. Let's look at some examples of image-based design. Now we will discuss the second one. The second one is type-based design. In some cases, designers rely on words to convey a message, but they use words differently from the ways writers do. To designers, what the words look like is as important as their meaning. The visual forms of the letters, whether typography or handmade lettering, perform many communication functions. They can grab your attention on a poster, identify the product name on a package or a truck, or present running text as the typography in a book does. Designers are experts at presenting information in a visual form in print or on film, packaging, or signs. Let's know about typography. Simply put, typography is the art of print. In our daily lives, we are constantly surrounded by it. As simple as it may seem, typography subtly combines communicative and artistic elements to create a print that is both pleasing and easy to read. Designers achieve this by selecting the right fonts, lettering, and print types. In order to be successful, it must complete two basic roles: clearly communicate the intended message and do so in a visually effective way that is both artistic and attractive. Let's look at some example of type-based design.